This dance is called Sun on a Black Sky. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with a rumba box. So we step the right to the side, left beside the right, step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left back, touch the right beside the left. Rumba box off on the right, once more. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch. Chassé to the right, slow one, this is single count timing. So we step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right to the side, hold. Into a little weave, so we cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right, sweep the right forward. That set of steps once more then, chassé to the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep. Let's add that to the top. Rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep. Cross the right over the left. Make a quarter turn right as you step back on that left. Step back on the right, touch your left just in front of the right. Step forward on the left, half a turn left as you step back on that right, further quarter turn left as you step the left to the side, hold. That set of steps once more then. Crossing the right over the left. 7, 8, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, hold. Now we have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that last little section. Half a turn followed by that quarter turn. If you wish to try and take that out, the first half of that section is the same as everybody else. So you cross the right over, quarter turn right, stepping that left back, right back and touch. From this point onwards, you'll step the left forward. Rather than turning, step the right forward, then make a quarter turn right as you step that left to the side, hold. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that 3/4 of a turn out. So let's add that to the top. Rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep. Cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, hold. Into another little weave then, crossing over to start with. So we cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, sweep the left back. Cross the left behind the right, make a quarter turn right as you step that right forward, step forward on the left, touch the right beside the left. End of dance when we get to that point. So that set of steps once more then, weaving, crossing the right over, 7, 8, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, turn, step, touch. Let's put it all together. Rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, hold, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, turn, step, touch. So that is your dance. And there's not an and count in sight. But it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, hold, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, turn, step, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, turn, step, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, turn, step, touch. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 tags and 1 restart in this dance. Your tags come at the ends of walls 3 and 8. Walls 3 and 8 are both your 6 o'clock walls. So you will be facing 3 o'clock when you come to do the tags. Tags nice and simple. Step to the right, on the right, touch the left beside the right, step the left to the left, touch the right beside the left. End of tag. So side touch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Still no counts inside. So let's have a go at wall 3. Take you up to the end of wall 3, add the tag on and restart the dance. Rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, turn, step, tag, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, straight into your rubber box. So that's your tag, ends of walls 3 and 8, both of which are your 6 o'clock walls. Now the restart comes on wall 5. Wall 5 is your 12 o'clock wall. After 8 counts, you restart. So it's nice and easy. You do your rubber box and then you start all over again. So let's just take you wall 5 up to the restart point, restart the dance. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, restart, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, behind, side, cross, sweep. So wall 5 after 8 counts is your restart point. So that's your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to the music.
Baby, let me see what you want to me. You're a penny lane, had the sweetest pain. Like heaven and hell, I'm caught in your spell. Oh, lady, love, love, love.
5, 6, 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, behind, side, cross, switch, cross, turn, touch, step, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, turn, step, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, step, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, touch, side, close, side, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, turn, step, tag, side, touch, rubber box.
We are meant to be
Side, close, side, behind, cross, switch, cross, turn, back, touch, step, turn, turn, Cross, side, behind, sweep behind, turn, step, touch, side, curve, step, touch. Do you restart or restart? Side, curve, step, touch. Chassé. Cross turn. Weave. Rubber. Chassé. Cross turn. Weave. Rubber. Next tangle. Chassé. Cross. Tag, side touch, rubber. Chassé. Cross. Weave.
Like the sun on a black sky. Girl, you burning my heart blind. My lady, love, love, love. Girl, you shine, yeah, you shine. Like the sun on a black sky. You got me burning like a bonfire. My lady, love, 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 love. Like the sun on the black sky, you got me burning like a bonfire. My lady, love, 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 love. My lady, love, 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 love.
Hope you managed that one